Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find out the people who unfollowed you on your Instagram account. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. Now tap on your account. To find out the people who have unfollowed you, tap on the menu bar, and under how you use Instagram section you guys can find out your activity. Tap on here and right now scroll like this. And then at the bottom you guys can find out download your information. Tap on here and then tap on download or transfer information. Here select your Instagram account and then tap on next. Now they'll ask you if you want to download all available information or you want to download the sum of your information. I'm gonna choose some of your information because if you tap on all available information it may take a longer to download. Tap on here and then they'll show you your Instagram activities like the content you have created or your messages or your events. From here you have to find out the followers and following. You guys can find out under connection section. Tap on followers and following and then tap on next. Here you can transfer this to other destination or you guys can download it to your device right now. Now tap on next. Here you guys can select the date range by tapping on here. If you guys want to know the person who have unfollowed you through last week or last month or last 3 months, or you guys can choose all time option to know who have unfollowed you on Instagram from a long time ago. Now tap on save. Here you guys can choose the format. Also you guys can choose the media quality. If you choose high quality it may take a long time to download, or you guys can choose low quality to download it faster. And now let's create a file. You guys can see the files there right now creating. It may take a while. Just wait here until they create your files. After a while you guys can find out the files. You will have 4 days to download the files to your device. Now tap on download. You have to put your password here. You guys can see the file. You have to download it to find out the people who have unfollowed you on your Instagram app. So this is how you guys can find out the people who have unfollowed you on your Instagram account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.